Wait, babes. I heard bed stay so.
Yeah, that what babes.
Look at bed lean. You're big man, I can't spread one bed.
But be a simple thing that
We mean simple thing. Look on the bed. The bed look more presentable.
yeah, babe, of course it's more presentable. You look more better. Yeah, babes. You look more presentable too.
Same you, my bummers. My bummers.
You know you're Mike Impossible.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, anyway, babes, may I get ready and go to bed? Come and have to go to bed.
Mike Impossible. My lovely king. My baby. Pardon? The part is here. Come straight up the bed. All these things. Alright, vamos.
Come here.
One of the babes.
As simple as that.
Why? It's not easy, you know. Easy as that. You. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Can't kawan fast too. Cucu. Yang satu dia pangan. Alright. Memang dah panggil yang jadi so. Ya apa makan cep juga one day sih. Alright. Dia mana dia man. Alright.
Mr. Man, wicked man. That's why I can't trust man. Jaja. So, babe, is there a plan for today?
I have no plan. I don't just stay home and maybe cook some food or I don't want to sleep. Yeah, because nothing to do now.
Alright, well, cut long story short, you know, something happened to our work and now, so I can't do my home.
See you. Home alone, home alone. What am I going to do today? I think I'm just gonna chill, sleep, and eat. Home alone. The card. But the chair card me play now. Oh. King. King. King 10. Queen. Queen by 8. Hold that. Say how do it. Say how do me. Say how do me. 8. 8. 8. 8. 10 in your head. You can do. You have. No, you can. You see, say you have 4. What's now? 8. Mama, 8. And then me have your pan. This way boy have 9. Alright, so now. Jack. Brother, tell you. Brother, never come go on like say big man. You can't beat me. You look boy, a big man game then a youth. You see that? I should have gamble me a gamble, you know. You must come and play a free game, big man. Brother, man, not play a free game, brother. That me I tell you. You see that? You say one more game.
Boy, boys. You wake up, no man, what kind of style, man? I feel like you play something, brother.
I pray, bro.
Sleep in that place, man. There, man. Thing good.
Yeah.
There, man. Isn't it?
Yeah, bro. You wife me now.
There, me and my father, man. She beer, man.
Yeah. They chop 3 beer.
Before me, sell that few people there, I don't.
No, sir. I must be done to this. I'm going to go on the work and sit down.
You know, you tell me already, you know that, but you know my thing come down already for you, isn't it?
Free man, bro.
Watch on anyways, and that me talk to you. Watch on, you know, so me have one birdie in my car this day. Me I can chip it and thing, you know that. Where is it? So yeah, man, so you change, you make woman change your party.
You must say, father beer for me.
Me I pull the beer for you, about that. What do you want to go on, man? Cat in my car, dog, and wasn't it? Me I go kill it, dog.
Bro, G. Bro. Can't anything there, bro. You know, say, mom's house, brother. I can't afford to care woman from my mom's house.
Man. We are talking about that. You know, remember back then, but man, me had touch you with that 3-4 girl in the house, brother. So, brother, this is what I say, dog. A woman changer. Brother, I see the thing in a movie in a party. You really make a cat change, dog.
Bro, G. It's them time there. I know, brother, at 2 different time, bro, G.
What kind of them time the charge? You know what cat do, brother? We are talking about, brother. But them time.
Brother, in a matter of, I don't know what she had, brother, but brother, I really love the catty, brother, and right now, I best time right now for me go so my put on the ring right now.
Put on what kind of ring on, brother? You know what cat do? You are talking about put on ring, brother? We are talking about.
Bro, I can't even understand, bro. I know, brother, me I try to change my life, bro, G. You see me? And we're stuck in here, bring up back what we're doing like back in the past, bro. No, bro, no time for that, daddy. You see me? Brother, bro,
yo, listen what I say, Bamas. We are talking about Bamas. Come on, man. You don't know we used to kick you, daddy. I saw you where I go kick you right now, my G.
Bro, hear me, say, bro. Nah, tell you like daddy. I love moms. You see me? And
brother, I need to one year where I say, because you talk about your love, man. You know what cat you do? I want to your party. I go for the catty bad man and carry him come back.
20,000. Bro. One thing I want to do, bro, just respect this space, bro. No, say daddy. Love me, dog, and right now, bro. I know we are content right now, bro. Right now that come like forces, brother. Anything that you way back them, brother.
Way back, you talk about love party. Tell you, you are going, I go for your catty. So when I see how your catty run and love, remember me tell you, I go change your mind about the ring and love. That me I tell me, I go for your catty.
Bro. I even say, bro, I didn't like my place, bro. Catty place, bro, G.
Brother, but the cat don't have to know what go on, brother. A simple chap, carry B come, me just deal with it. And me carry him back bad man, what you talk about? Bamas.
Loyalty, daddy.
Bamas.
Tell you, daddy.
Bamas. Loyalty. Bamas. I want to, I saw out for me, brother.
Man, friend, you can't hide that man, yo.
You know what? I carry cat. Go up on the end still, but still a dog.
Yeah, bro, G, see me, man.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. I cut.
You're right, man. Yeah.
Man, wicked man. This morning me I put on my clothes and go and work, right? When I take a stop, me have to crawl up over the window. And my man me see her talk to the woman. I will tell him say in the evening she must bring a cold beer come.
Girl, you're too lie.
Why me I tell lie? Me say me put on my clothes ready to come out of the house. When me reach the hall, the boy me see her tell girl say you want a cold beer in the evening, but be a go work. What do you mean by that? You know hard me for what my money think can eat food.
Girl, I'm trying to tell you man and dog, you really bring your man in your house to go and disrespect you like that.
Yeah.
You need to do better.
Remember,
There's the man that, you know.
I meet the boy and something. He might give me attention, right? And my lovey thing. So I fall for him and something. When I look at my clothes, I see I put on and something take out in the hall. And the boy chat to girl, one bring girl coming to my house. When I work so hard for.
You don't like him.
I don't like him, I just give him time.
Girl, you can't joke. Right now, I'm gonna line him up when I'm leaving him up. And I'm gonna like, yeah, I trust him. Imagine how you want to have the man in your house and put disrespect like that. You need to put him out.
Man and dad, but look here, I live him to time. My honesty, I've been hurting in the so my granny always tell me say, don't put one egg in your basket.
Exactly. Same so.
Yeah.
You feel you need to make him about, you need to make him about, you need to make him know himself and know his place. And the man that can't be trusted nowadays, that's why they always say, don't put the egg in one basket for sure.
Time we work.
So we have
Well, he must go come out of my house, you know. Cause if he no respect me and me I go work as him can eat and him gonna bring girl come to my house, how did I go?
that don't look good, that all.
He no respect me.
You get him out right now. Right now, you need to even burn up his clothes, them. Take out all and clothes them out of your jaw everywhere. Every shoes, everything, him and burn them up.
But guess what I gonna do? I have a little suitcase, I gonna pack it and put it in the gate. And when my pass in, I pick them up.
No, girl, pack nothing. Don't pack nothing. Take everything off, phone you up, making constable up clothes. Whoever man have if you wanna talk to him, make them go buy things for you.
I just think if you do what I get to put him up. I'm not sorry, but I can't go sorry for him because he don't have no respect for me. He might bring woman come to my house. When I have to work so hard for. You know what I sweat, I sweat I work for this.
I have to go through. No, stop. I don't have serious joke alone.
And when they come home now, bills, like everything okay and behind the back, you know, say he must stab me on the back.
Just say you need to get rid of him. You need to get rid of him right away. Right away. And I don't put no clothes in and out. Suitcase, burn them up.
Yeah, so when I get rid of him today, he will have suffer for your body.
And change all the lock them. Change all the
Yeah, change them because they give boy one key to, you know.
You have to go change your lock. Don't make him get no access to the house when him come. Change your lock, put your clothes out the door and break them. One up for your mother and stop thing or go somewhere. And make when him come, nothing that he can't go in the house now at all. When him call you, don't answer him.
Well, him alright, he lose the good. Must suffer for your body.
Lad, start me lad, hello.
Ready? Yeah, ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
What?
Much better. Man me for much better. Yeah, much better.
Brother. Bro, Jimmy, can't make your match today, bro, Jimmy. Can't make it today, bro. Not this evening, bro.
A joke. Stop the pranking, man. Come, better fast.
Bro, no joking, bro.
Stop the pranking now, youth, and come on, my youth. Coach away till
Bro,
the
you know, bro.
Coach away, my youth.
Me don't tell my girlfriend, say, bro, me not if you go nowhere today, bro. Don't tell her that already. And me can't change the plan, bro. Me not make no joke, skinny. I tell you the truth. Bro, you know what I'm not doing anything, bro. But, you remember that today how much there, bro?
Joke, yeah. Yeah, coach. Coach. You know what I'm saying? Coach. Yeah, Abamas me calling coach, I'm going to tell me say nah, come on a machine. Say I say man, you tell him man say nah, coach, you check the coach out.
Coach. No, coach, me can't make it, coach, because I don't promise my girlfriend and tell her, say, me can't, me not left the yard or none today. Me can't disappoint her like that.
God no, Thomas, man. Ever since you take up with this girl and move in with this girl, man, you haven't been the same, brother, man. Oh gosh, man.
Right, coach, don't worry yourself. Next week will be better. Alright?
Alright, you sure you're up for next week, though?
Yes, coach, me sure, man, me sure.
Alright, looking forward to see you, man.
Alright then, coach, thanks.
Coach, I lose the man and lose there, coach. A full business in the pan now, coach. Man,
I tell you, man, this is not like Bombers, man, to do with that, man.
yo, Mayo,
Critical game, this, man.
just come in, Mayo, put on your gears and come on,
Bro,
Mayo.
me can't.
Say, I know, Mama, you know, say, I best player for the team, Mayo, and you tell me about that.
Me know say me best player, but can't make it.
This, brother.
Cannot.
You know no valid reason, brother. You know no valid reason.
Bro,
You can't
don't
tell
promise me woman and tell her say me not going in.
brother, call it something better, brother. That come like some look a waste man thing, yo. Like some, yo.
Skinny, I really your friend you call waste man skinny.
Then I saw you behave, dog. Don't think this. I saw you behave, brother.
Just make. Well, we can just do what we have to do, you know, and just make it happen.
A style man, style
One
thing,
of those
coach,
things,
man.
huh?
A style man. Outside, coach. But I am move like a son girl clown,
No,
brother.
bro.
I not go around that.
Not say that,
I not
man.
go around
Not say that, man. I know say we are broken.
And then a woman can, a woman can make run head, brother.
and
Come
you
like
say-
I hear
and
that
you say the woman
eruption,
already
see
head, bro.
the man can sign and girl around them head, tell them figure.
Bro, not say
play
anything
football,
that,
tell
bro. Bro, hear me say no, bro. Today, remember say today me day after you know, bro.
Then at that time, no, you not coach, no match day, brother. How you get there for, brother? You have to do brother football how you love, brother.
Yeah, bro.
Me know
We
that
all
for
love
sure.
football, bro.
Yeah, but you can't just left with some brother.
Me know say me a top player on the right wing, bro. But just bro,
Yeah, no, me don't understand.
bro. Hear me say next week me forward that match, bro. Then next week me have play some decent ball game. Cause I know say
So
Me dey on the
your
right,
woman
already
have
for the
to
left, you know.
play football, brother. Say your woman tell her say you not play football.
no.
Your woman tell her
I
say you
think
not
me
play
done tell her,
football.
bro. Already.
Then you call her and tell her. Call her, me chat to her by phone.
Bro, she dey work.
Then you can't call her man out and what if
No,
I
me no really want
emergency,
this
you can't
paper
call her.
for work, bro.
Then the emergency, it put 10 to you. It's sentimental to you. So you must can call her, brother, and talk to her. She rate herself for true. She knows say you love your passion. You have passion for football,
But
brother.
the thing is now what you fi understand is now. Remember me don't make a promise to her. Alright, hear me I say, what if me gonna match now?
Don't make a promise to a long time. A long time you play football with me.
Hear me now. So what even me go so now me gonna bathroom now and she come from her she not see me. You know woman stay already bro G.
Then you're going to like say how man you're going to see the football match you play the whole time you're up on the field.
But-
Everybody see her score goal and be a big brother. So, and I like say you're going to tell her say you're going to a football match and there a football match. She can't know say there a football match because one phone call and you say, yeah, I you score 2-3 goals. How much in goal we could have scored today, brother? And you know that too, bro, and you just left with so that and tell about man, brother. I've seen more valid
man.
talk about
Next week,
more
bro.
valid excuse, bro.
Next week, bro. I tell you.
That can't make sense. Someone on the youth, brother, it come like someone on buck a nice girl, brother, like on turn fool, brother. And just a run, so brother. Just a run, so that, yo, if you understand life and know, so brother, when you're there with somebody, brother, you're supposed to rate where you rate and love where you love and passionate about what you're passionate about. And whatever sentimental to you, sentimental to her. And I likewise of true. So if you can call and reason about it, so true. And a woman here they go, brother, and probably again a long time you play football and you really out the streets of true. So she no feel have no problems of true. Insecure you call that, brother. So she have to know say yo. She have to make you can do it, you want to do and trust you. Say yo, you have to stay real and true and loyal, brother. You understand? So them kind of game me a play, me not understand, brother.
Understand what
I
you're
don't
saying.
game me a play, a football game me for go play now, bro.
Bro, understand what you're saying now, bro. But
See,
you
all the rain a come
understand what me
like
say,
some
bro.
crosses. Think this with all the rain, but yeah, joke.
Jaja, you. Why people just can't understand, man. It's a simple little misunderstanding, you know. Don't promise my girl, say me nah go nowhere, brother. And then now I see the screen them a come config and match. You didn't remember about no match. Truth them in the half, I mean, don't say, yo, me a stay home and chill. I just say it go still. Taj!
Hey Bamas,
Go on.
I'm okay. Bamas,
I'm good. But the coming like a Taj from a ton Christian man like a favorite coming at your house, man.
no, nothing like that, Bamas.
Yes, man.
Nothing
The
like
first time I just come in and come check me.
Nothing like that, Bamas. Listen, Bamas, the Lord sent me with a really daring message. He sent me up here to talk to you, Bamas. I feel a spirit heavy around you, Bamas. As a friend that know you from a long time, Bamas,
Yes,
I'm telling you to give your life to the Lord. Yes, Bamas, you should give your life to the Lord, my friend. Ezekiel chapter 2 verses 8 to 9 says, Thy man shall be in peace. His life is given to the Lord. He shall sleep with his eyes not jittery at nights, and breath as slow and sound as the wind. In life, Bamas,
Yes, sir.
we go through a lot, but there comes a time when a man should know himself and look into himself and know what is right for himself and his nature. The Lord will provide for you and show you clarity in every way, Bamas. You need to give your life to the Lord. There is something that is not sitting right with me, and because I'm so connected to Jesus, I can come as a true soldier of the Lord. I stand here this evening and I come to you, my friend, to tell you that I cannot let you sink yourself in this type of darkness. I'm going to leave you with
Taj, you know that
I'm pastor.
You know, say for a longer time I say you stay, Taj.
Listen to me, this book, you need to just read it and give your life to the Lord, my friend. I can sense this feeling, I can sense the air, there's something that is not sitting there with me. I must just have a good evening and take care, my friend. Okay?
Alright, my friend. Everything is gonna be alright.
God bless you, man. God bless you.
Man, because I like you change your mix still because first time
It's just love.
you're different.
It's just love. I live closer to
Everything
my
is
Lord.
different. Me like that, man. Me like that.
Bless you, and have a good day. I cannot stay too long, Bamas. This place.
Alright, my friend. Later.
Just give your life to the Lord, my friend.
Okay.
Bless you.
I just the Christian that stand still now. They don't even know what my people pay, but they never come and talk why I feel this and I feel that. I just have to give me a time to plan a longer time too. From where I go to school. I always feel this and I always feel that and this and that and I can't go on.
man, tell no lie. Come like you nah get no touch it tight, you know.
Me? And me run my show. You never know say something tight. And me I walk with the swing. And me run my show.
Me nah tell no lie, mama. Feel like a heaven with it. I swear. So when we can meet up back again.
Anytime you want, because right now, the boy over there, I put him out right now. I put him out.
You know, most want put him out, man. You have something and put on like a figurine.
And was like how it tight.
And if you tell her, oh Lord.
Because something a soul taker.
I tell her one time I feel my soul I pull out of my body for true, you know, man.
Some boy don't know they lose. And when they see other people with it, that time they want, you know them where they, what they did have, they not cherish it. When they gone, if me didn't know. My granny always tell me say, you never know you say your tail till you lose it.
That's true. Nah, tell no lie. We have to do what this again sometime, eh?
Yeah, but babes, the artist thing, you do it better than him now.
You're serious?
You're better than him by far.
So
but not ask right.
Use it you.
He no use. He's so dead. I say other day the boy come and rank himself with me, you know.
You serious?
Yeah. And won't see him know say you do it better than him. By far.
So the boy no use then?
He don't have no use. You just grip me and grab me and whine out the belly button. I say, baby.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
But big man thing, I'm not too business with you.
I know say in G, but he come and hype up and pour him no know. I say, other man, he wake up a boy. And I say, be, you know, so I feel look like something. The boy say, come now. So I say, alright then. When the boy tell me, you know what I look away then? It's something not turn up me if you say, baby, you expunge for your lunch, breakfast and dinner.
Oh yeah, say to me. Worry yourself, man. You have a real man. You can rev out the engine, man. Shift gear for you. Make you feel good.
Nothing wrong with that. I want that. I look for.
So that I get already baby, a whole package I get, you know. You know, say a whole package.
No, man, you say revolt, can you can't bother with the sponge, man, them. Like a SpongeBob.
Jaja. Boy, weak out for the apps, though.
Tell you.
You could have done some Viagra.
I say, I search out the whole place in Viagra. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't have no other option more than I go downtown, Kingston, and I buy some carrot, lettuce, and be a vegetable. And say I pay a vegetable, me I give me eat too much fried chicken. If fast food, them and they look mad, them what them a take a dead the SpongeBob.
Boy, with that life still not, you know, easy, you know. But anyways, what you know? You know, I'm not going to stay too long, because they place me there, I don't want to come out and see me, you see me?
Not a true stick, I don't want to beat you up as much as your friend. But, you need to come out of my house.
I know you go, man, but what you know? I have to go here now. So, nothing to come out, so.
Alright, no problem. Later, babes. Long day at work. Hi, baby.
It's not fun.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You got what for next story shot. Good enough for me.
Thank you, baby. You didn't say I'm not.
Not that one.
There's a little hours.
It's a little together.
Yeah.
Yes, baby. Can't tell you it's gonna be nice.
Okay. Well, baby, was not hungry.
What must?
You know, here my belly, I'm not sure they might tie up in me. Come on, I'll drop you.
No, I know where I got from.
Not eat, because.
I'm glad you're here.
Yes. You're my heartbeat.
Always, yeah.
Backside. Let me wash my hands. Lord Jesus. I'm going to try one table on my bed. You will be work hard, they're coming back to work. But backside. What's up on the floor? Not wait. What is that? Alright, come on, baby. Hopes. Okay. Hello, I come out of my house and if you come out of my house. No, too.
Babes, what is for now?
Just come out of my house, cut a long story short.
But
if you get up and come out of my house now.
But all of a sudden, me prepare dinner for you, yeah, come and cheat me that type of way.
I said, come out of my house. You don't want to sweat me, I have to sweat to build this.
B, what is for now? What we do?
Come on.
What is for?
As I say, cut long story short, come out of my house.
What is for?
You need to come out, man. Come out. Come out of my house. Come on.
I'm not going nowhere now. I'm not going nowhere. What is for? What you come from this and you go, where are you going to the house for?
Just
what
follow
me
me
do?
Follow me now.
For, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not come on. I'm not come on.
What do you mean you're not come out? You know why, Bill?
You know, me no matter what you want to build. I'm just not coming out.
However I've gone to. Eh?
We can't look, we can prepare this nice fried chicken and juice and like one chicken, so.
We are me.
All of a sudden.
You just pay a part, come, you say just come out, me no long talking, get out.
We now come on. Me serious. All of a sudden.
Get out, man. Come out. I see you now. I see you.
Yo, alright, no, that me I tell you.
I see you. I say you wanna live.
Me know what in your head. You got a good man there. You got to be nice like this one. Okay. Babe, just come in man, sit down.
Okay. I see what's going on. You and your girl them plan to cook up the kill and to take over my house. You know, hard me work for this boy.
Yes, you mean by me and girl pen up and cook. From whole day me and 20,000.
Your girl them will bring come to my house. Never mind.
No bring no woman come here.
You know want to kill me off and take you over. You know
want to 20 days from morning.
You know want to sweat. You want to hungry baby by mansion. Hmm?
Man, you can't tell us still now. No matter how you run with me, nah come out.
You come like a tie into your palm then.
I'm glad I know.
Alright, cool, Duffy. Yeah man, no problem. It's alright. Go and enjoy your pies and milk at your house. Enjoy. Are you gonna go kick over and then?
Come on, for this here. Ah, this. No matter what we try, no matter what we do, just come and like, I'm not try enough. But still, leave everything in your hands. As no matter how much I do, come like it not work. So right now, only thing I just you just show me the right way, guide me in the right step. Cause no matter what she do, or what, me not promote ya.
So this boy feels him asleep in my house tonight. He make a sad mistake. Me and him not stay in there. I'm sick and tired now, man. Make me call my brother. If you want to come out the one way, you have to come out the other. Yes, bro, go on. You know, see, I want a piece of story. Me have to give you. I said to him, I come from work and something. I see the boy prepare nice, clean food. You know? I say, yeah. One man ready to eat the food. One man say, go and go wash your hand. Put back down the fork. I say, I wash my hand now.
Alright, you want to go on. Put long story, so I'm going to happen outside. I'm going to
Alright, no problem. Do you think? When dad will come link me? Alright, come man, come I can't stay in my house tonight, man. You need to come out, take him bag and leave. Alright. Watch me and him. You think you not come out tonight, you make a sad mistake. You get what you don't get.
Yes.
Yes.
How if this is about this?
What do you mean when you feel deserve this? Sure.
So yes, you're going now, sis.
My dear brother, you know, say, tell me call you. Me as what me and say pretending to. I said the boy don't want to come out of my house and I need him out of my house tonight.
For real? So in there?
He don't understand walk up and down in my house like he know how my house buy.
Bombers?
Then you not scared, you know.
Oh, Lord.
He need to come out tonight. But him not come out. Just a bright.
I pray now.
No, you say tell me see how you play with them stone pine. See me I say?
Roger, I'm not playing with my son, Roger. Right now, you involved in this right now, because this is a man and woman situation.
You are go on. Don't practice.
Hello. You need to come out and take up your bag and leave. You need to leave the house.
So hear me I say.
You know what I mean?
Take up your bag and leave.
Don't waste time, brother. Leave something from a beautiful place.
take up your bag and leave before my brother have to mess up the place tonight. And walk up to. You live on people promises. You don't pay tax right or so.
Real sis.
So me know my brother and let me down, you know.
Go watch your boy still, you know.
Me tell no
I
man.
have to go watch your boy. Feel like boy still, you know, sis.
Yeah man.
Real man.
You not here man.
Come
You
down.
can't
Come down. Trust your brother still, you know, you understand?
Yeah man bro.
You say you come back and see her and treat her, stay with her, you know, sis.
For real.
I go watch your way for your wife, you see me I say?
Go watch him be true man.
For real,
I
man.
don't trust him now. I don't trust him.
You look stressed out on them things.
Me I tell you, the boy wants to be mad, I don't want to suffer. Everything he want to do. And my blood pressure, the boy make go up. Could eat. Next, him and the girl they go cook food. He might cook food, you know my brother. So me eat piles of food.
I go to my baby skill enough. So you can understand how them things they understand.
A good thing so Quicksilver in me too.
For real, man.
I mean, if me love me go more than yummy.
For real, man. Because I never see you stress them way either.
Me I tell you hear me stress out, me and catch up my head with little gel. The whole like dry up back.
John no star.
Me have to pull you up, my brother.
So you are going. I go check your nose and see if you're going, you know.
Alright thing. Because you want to make sure something safe.
I'm going to tell you, I don't trust that you there, you understand?
Yeah, man.
I have to make sure you come clean from back over higher place, you understand?
Yes, brother.
For real, man.
Father God.
Some curl to man, you can put up iron that's at speed and the thing, isn't it?
Man, bro, you want respect, man.
Simple thing, man, enough respect, man, bro. You have one, you know, understand, sir. A long time I didn't want to show you how priest and all that, but Missy says so you fall in love, man. It's so deep in that thing that try to tell you with my reason, but you say, no, you know, still. And your shrimps all upon me and then look away like that.
Free, bro.
The girl in a lie and that, man, I tell her. In real life, you know, I man, God. Big man thing on the dog, so I have to show you, I pray a long time, I live in mother and to hear that, God, watch you now. Chop you already, you know.
20,000. Can't believe, bro.
Can't believe, bro. Look how far away I come from. You know you think already, bro. Me try to tell you already, but me say, yo, you're deep, dog. You fall deep, brother. You see me?
Judge you what?
True, you tell me, say, yo, you love and you're this and you're that. You're not willing to listen to what me I say, dog. You see me? Even today, look on today. You know you think said for a long time. Me carry Catty come on me and say, good up and you tell me, say, yo, you love girl and thing and me I tell you, say, you know what woman I do. I hint me, they try hint to make you know what I'm going on, but you're not giving me a chance. You tell me, say, yo, you're not depend on that, bro.
Real bro, G, man. I still just so life set, bro, you know.
But what you know, on a big man level, you have to feel. You can go and black so, build up yourself so you can build a house and dating as a fair and my brother same way, man. No worry about nothing, man. I hear that everything good bad bro, man.
I'm proud, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect for your right goodness, I know.
No you go, man.
Brother, I'm tell you, bro, G.
A simple thing that, brother, man. Now I say, you know, we go to work already. Like all time, brother. So we are going to do thing. A simple last that, man. Take your mind off of things and make you do the right thing. Hold on. I just see all that car in the house. Hello? Where you going? You know, see me there, man. Yeah, I'm there, man. We'll see up to now. Yeah, what that now?
So maybe grown up look a dirty boy.
Yeah?
When
Yes.
I really nothing like us them. They care one girl come here and play. I could not take care.
So you sure a gal man carrying in your house, cause today when they go link it dog and sit there.
Yes, I'm a girl. Be careful, man. But then, I know we want to see some man that me
No, man, they can't go so.
Hello. You mean by Yanni, man? What do you mean by that?
Dirty junk.
You see, you know, see a wicked bum. You know, see a wicked. And that me I tell you. Yo, woman. See, woman. Man, a wicked. That me I tell you. You're 20. What?
I said to not try to set me up. Don't.
Dog.
So me I tell you that how long, brother. I tell you so you kept in a real bad man. But you say if they listen to me,
That me I tell
everything like you holding in the position right now, dog. But a simple case that anyway, dog, you don't know your partners. We are touch room, I'm trying to match up some food in the kitchen and thing and everything, right? So yeah, let's go and do it right.
Alright, yeah, man. Woman, brother. Just say man be trust woman now. See, I'm friend say, oh man, you can be at your.
Yeah. Never find anyone like me. Unique. Yeah. You will never find anybody like me. Never ever. Never ever, ever, ever. You will never find anybody like me. Yeah. I hope him treat you better. I hope him treat you nice. Make you smile, girl. Yeah. You will never find anyone like me. Like me. Yeah. You will never ever. Hope him treat you right. Hope him make you smile. Take a place that you like.
We all have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Hi, I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny. What a bombshell. Sophie Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, you know, watching the movie, liking, share, comment, you know, whether good comment or bad comment. We still appreciate you guys because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, you know, whether to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal because we love doing movies, you know. Movies, a thing that we do every day, you know, it's a love, it's a passion, you know. So I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, you know, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult or it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, you know, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, you know, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, you know, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, you know, help us to grow bigger and better, you know. So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know, and we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was a good project for us because we spend more time that way normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, you know, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like, you know, maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, you know, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like we can use for props, any books or anything. If you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, you know, we'd appreciate it, same, because we can use them in movies, same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper, everything is actually from here, you know, because I actually watched the movie in my head before I came able to even film it, you know. So whatever props you guys have to give, we really appreciate it financially, anyway, any means of way of helping us to get better, you know, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, you know, commenting, tell us what you think, you know, what you dislike and what you like, you know, it really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer, but we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, what you call it, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time we had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, you know. But it's the love. When you love something, you know, you spend time and, you know, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, you know. So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, you know, working on sound and working on acting skills. Taj, you know, good actor. And then you have Bamas. Bamas is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. You know, he's trying to, you know, develop the quality of the sound, whether sound effects or the recording. You know, Bamas, that's Bamas, sound engineer, you know. And then you have the actor now, one Taj, you know. Yeah, one Taj, the actor, is a good one, you know. So guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, you know, more time into the movies. You know, we had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to do about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 10-5 movie for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollar so you can survive for the next month. You know, so guys, help us to only produce one movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, you know, sound, acting skills, you know, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, you know. Send us a lot of prayer and love, you know. Pray God bless us also, you know, and we'd love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny, what a bombshell, so for sure, love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.